watching Dainik Savera Presents Fit with Jen. I'm your host and trainer Jennifer, and welcome to our brand new 3-month COVID recovery program. Corona has taken its toll. With millions falling sick every day, nobody really knows when this pandemic will end. अगर आपने भी मेरी तरह कोरोना को फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस किया है, तो आप जानते हैं कि ये बैटल आसान नहीं है। ठीक होने के बाद भी ब्रेथलेसनेस एंड फटीग जैसी कई प्रॉब्लम्स हमारा साथ नहीं छोड़ती। After all, your body does go through a lot trying to survive. कोरोना रिकवरी प्रोग्राम है आपका one-stop solution to fix all these problems. ये simple to follow regimen स्पेसिफिकली डिजाइन किया गया है उन लोगों के लिए जो कोरोना से ठीक होने के बाद भी ठीक नहीं है। Easy to follow, slow paced and controlled body movement से ये प्रोग्राम आपके स्टैमिना को वापस लाने में मदद करेगा। Breathing exercises will improve lung capacity, leaving you feeling stronger and better. Let's get started. So guys, रोज की तरह आज का वर्कआउट भी हम शुरू करेंगे कुछ इजी बॉडी वेट मूवमेंट्स के साथ ताकि आप प्रॉपर्ली वार्म अप हो सकें। ये सभी मूवमेंट्स आप सिटिंग या स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में कर सकते हैं। आज की हमारी फर्स्ट मूवमेंट है एल्बो सर्कल्स। इसकी हम करेंगे 8 रेपिटेशंस ऑन वन साइड एंड 8 रेपिटेशंस ऑन द अदर। Start with joining your elbows together. Breathe in as you lift up, making a big circle, coming back to the starting position. Change your side. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is your arm and shoulder stretch. Interlock your fingers, stretch them out, take a deep breath in as you lift them up, way behind your head as far as your range of motion allows. Breathe out and relax. Breathe in as you lift up. Breathe out and relax. Relax. Coming up next, guys, is scapular retractions. Go ahead and stretch your arms straight out in front of you. Reach out, rolling your shoulder blades and bringing your shoulder blades away from each other. Breathe in as you keep your elbows tucked in and bring your shoulder blades close together, pinching each other. Breathe out, 8 repetitions. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is wrist claw to fist. So go ahead, stretch your arms out, make a claw, make a fist. Up next, guys, is a few neck movements, starting with neck left to right. And relax. Up next, guys, is head tilts. and relax. Up next, guys, is head nods. Take a deep breath in as you lift your chin up. Breathe out as you drop it down. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is alternate toe taps. Go ahead and put your arms on the side of your head, elbows open. Keeping your back straight, take a deep breath in. Breathe out as you touch the alternate toe, keeping your back straight. Breathe in and out. In and out. Relax. Coming up next, guys, is sit to stand. Hands on the side as you stand and sit. Keep your back straight throughout the movement. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is knee to elbow. Hands again on the side. Lift the knee up and reach with the alternate elbow, also known as oblique twists. And relax. Up next, guys, is calf lifts. Go ahead, lean forward, hands on the knees. Breathe in as you lift your heels up. Breathe out as you drop them down. And relax. Up next, guys, toe pull-ins, toe extensions. Go ahead, stretch both your legs straight out. Pull your toes in, stretching your calf. Extend them down, stretching your shin. And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी warm up movements. I hope all of you are sufficiently warmed up. If not, you can always go ahead and repeat the circuit one more time. अब हम करेंगे आज के कुछ आसन. So guys, आज का हमारा पहला आसन है परिव्रता नटराज आसन, also known as the Shiva twist. इसे हम करेंगे standing position में. Since balance can be an issue for some of you, you can take the support of a chair or a wall to help you balance. So start with bringing one knee up, onto the side, and hold. Let's change. Balancing on the left leg now, bringing the right knee up and onto the side. and relax. Coming up next, guys, is Ardha Matsya Indra Asana, also known as the half spinal twist. इसे हम perform करेंगे in the sitting position. Go ahead, stretch both your legs straight out in front of you. Bring your left leg over. Left hand behind. Use your right hand to go over the knee and holding your other ankle. Look over the shoulder and hold. Let's change. Left leg straight, right leg crosses over, right hand on the back. Using your right hand, your left hand, you will hold your ankle and look over your right shoulder. And relax. आज का हमारा अगला आसन है बालासन, also known as the child pose. Start in the supine position, which is on your back. Lift both the feet up, holding them from the outside. Pulling your knees down towards the ground. God. And relax. Finally, guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है अर्ध शलभासन, also known as the half locust pose. इसे हम करेंगे in the prone position, so on your belly. Tuck your hands underneath. Lift your left leg up, balancing on the right foot. Change. Lifting the right leg up. Down and relax. Guys, अब हम फोकस करेंगे कुछ ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस पर. आज की हमारी फर्स्ट ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज है बेली ब्रीदिंग. इसे हम करेंगे इन द लाइंग डाउन पोजीशन. Knees slightly bent, body completely relaxed. Left hand at the end of your rib cage, right hand over your belly. As you take a deep breath in through the nose, feel your stomach expanding and pushing against your hands. As you breathe out, feel your stomach contracting and moving away from the hand towards your spine. The entire focus of breathing in and out is on the expansion and contraction of your belly, which is happening naturally. And relax. गाइस, आज का हमारा अगला प्राणायाम है शीतली प्राणायाम, ऑल्सो नोन एज द कूलिंग ब्रेथ। इसमें आप सांस को अंदर भरेंगे थ्रू द माउथ, कीपिंग योर टीथ टुगेदर बट लिप्स अपार्ट। सांस को बाहर छोड़ेंगे नॉर्मली थ्रू द नोज। And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की exercises. I hope you enjoyed them and are not too tired. Consistency is the name of the game here. It's a marathon, not a sprint, so please take it easy. Give your body a chance to recover and heal. Do subscribe to the Dainik Savera channel for more cutting-edge fitness challenges. Happy healing!